Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Price from Animal ER Care Central Location, and I'm here to answer some questions to help the general public with any emergencies they might have at home with their dogs. When we consider a dog emergency, anything that is deemed to be potentially life-threatening, whether imminently or over the course of hours or potentially longer, so something that would require emergent medical care for the stability of a pet. So there's quite a few symptoms. I would say some of the more concerning and more common would be imminent collapse, pale gums, intractable vomiting, very weak. Those would be some of the things that I think owners would be able to pick up on very quickly. Now, certain things with dogs versus cats and different breeds, certain clinical signs might be something you look out for, more so than a generality, but those few things that I mentioned would certainly necessitate to prompt a visit with an emergency doctor. Certainly seizures that are longer than a minute or two would be reason to head on in to see your ER doctor. The veterinarian will at all times examine your pet first, whether it's emergently, if it's deemed a life-threatening condition, or a little bit after your arrival, depends on the condition of the pet. But first starts with an exam, and then typically the veterinarian will come talk to the owner and go over what they're finding, ask some questions, and then come up with a plan for diagnostics and treatment. When we're dealing with life-threatening emergencies, truly every second counts. And so delaying even to call an ER vet could be precious seconds or minutes that could result in a different outcome for a pet in a truly emergent setting. So anything that you feel is imminently life-threatening to a pet should be immediately brought to an emergency clinic, because certainly there are conditions that a few minutes of delay of treatment can result in a much poorer outcome. I would stay with your dog and make sure that nothing is happening that is imminently life-threatening. And if you have someone with you in your home, have them call an animal emergency center such as us to see about getting their patient in to be seen, or their pet in to be seen. If it is something that is deemed imminently life-threatening, then going ahead, hopping in the car and getting to one of these clinics as soon as possible.